Hello there, warriors. Let's talk about the magical healing properties of a flower. That's right, these are the dried flower buds of fragrant evergreen trees native to the Spice Islands near China, also known as clove. Spices used to be worth their weight in gold, and clove was no exception. Found in both whole and ground form, cloves have traveled all the way along the Silk Road and spread throughout Asia and Europe. These tiny dark brown pods filled with intense aroma are considered as an important spice that gives many dishes across cultures its distinctive flavor and aroma. People often include ground cloves in spice mixes and whole cloves in recipes to add depth, from spicing up those curries or meats to bringing warm and aromatic flavors to hot beverages, as well as baked goods. While cloves are best known as a sweet and aromatic spice, they have been an integral part of traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, and has an impressive resume of health benefits. And the best way to reap all the qualities of clove is a simple tea by simmering the incredible spice in water. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned to find out the 12 incredible benefits of clove tea in this ultimate guide to cloves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Rich and powerful antioxidants. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage by oxidizing other molecules in the body. The main flavoring compounds of the clove, powerful polyphenols, are some of the most effective antioxidants, acting as a personal bodyguard for your immune system. With an army of these antioxidants, clove tea works to neutralize these free radicals. This process helps prevent oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases and the aging process, and provides protection for the heart, brain, skin, and immune system. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol is the primary flavor component of cloves, constituting a significant percentage of their essential oil. This compound is well known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It may suppress the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, such as cytokines and prostaglandins, that contribute to inflammation. Arthritis is a condition characterized by inflammation of the joints. The anti-inflammatory properties of eugenol in clove tea may help alleviate symptoms associated with arthritis, including pain and swelling, as well as prevent other similar conditions that arise due to inflammation. Number 3. Improves digestive health. Clove tea contains compounds, including eugenol, that have been suggested to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down complex nutrients into simpler forms that the body can absorb. By enhancing the activity of digestive enzymes, clove tea may facilitate the breakdown of macronutrients into smaller components. This breakdown is essential for the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract. In turn, improved digestion, facilitated by clove tea, may help reduce bloating and indigestion, soothe the gastrointestinal tract, help with motion sickness, and provide relief from nausea. Clove has a long history of use in traditional medicine for digestive complaints. It has been employed in various cultures to address issues such as flatulence, dyspepsia, and stomach cramps. Number 4. Pain relief. Analgesics are substances that have pain-relieving effects. Eugenol, a natural compound in cloves, has been identified to have vital analgesic properties. Eugenol interacts with receptors in the peripheral nervous system, helping to modulate pain signals. This interaction may result in a reduction of the perception of pain, making it a potential natural remedy for various types of pain. This makes clove tea a potent elixir to combat headaches, toothaches, and a soothing relief against pain during chronic conditions. Number 5. Respiratory health. Cloves are known for their antimicrobial properties, which may help combat bacteria and viruses that can contribute to respiratory infections. Clove tea has a warm and soothing quality, which can provide relief for a sore throat. The soothing effect may help alleviate discomfort associated with throat irritation, making it a comforting beverage during respiratory infections, and combined with its potential antimicrobial properties, may offer relief from cough symptoms. Clove tea may act as an expectorant, promoting the expulsion of mucus from the respiratory tract. This can be beneficial in cases of respiratory congestion, helping to clear the airways, and is an effective preventive measure during cold and flu seasons. Clove tea can be combined with other respiratory supporting herbs such as ginger, cinnamon, or thyme to create an herbal infusion that targets multiple aspects of respiratory health. Number 6. Diabetes and blood sugar control. Some compounds found in cloves, particularly eugenol, may improve insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity means that cells are more responsive to insulin, allowing for better regulation of blood sugar levels. The pancreas produces insulin, and oxidative stress can damage pancreatic cells, leading to impaired insulin production. The antioxidants present in cloves may play a role in protecting pancreatic cells by combating oxidative stress. Alpha amylase is an enzyme responsible for breaking down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. Cloves are studied to be effective in inhibiting the activity of alpha amylase, slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates and reducing the rapid spike in blood sugar levels after meals. Number 7. Oral health. Cloves contain compounds, including eugenol, which exhibit strong antimicrobial properties. Eugenol has been recognized for its ability to combat bacteria, fungi, and viruses. The antimicrobial nature of cloves can contribute to combating the bacteria that lead to bad breath. Clove tea, with its aromatic and flavorful properties, can act as a natural breath freshener, providing a pleasant and refreshing taste while addressing oral odor. The bacteria present in the mouth can contribute to various oral health issues, including cavities and gum disease. Clove tea's antimicrobial properties may help reduce the overall bacterial load in the oral cavity, supporting overall oral hygiene. Number 8. Menstrual relief. Clove tea is known for its analgesic or pain-relieving properties. Eugenol in cloves may help alleviate pain by inhibiting certain pathways involved in pain sensation. In addition to its analgesic properties, clove tea also exhibits anti-inflammatory effects. Menstrual cramps are often associated with inflammation, and the anti-inflammatory compounds in clove may contribute to reducing the intensity of cramps. The muscle relaxant properties of clove can be particularly beneficial for relieving menstrual cramps. By helping to relax the uterine muscles, clove tea may reduce the intensity of contractions that lead to pain during menstruation. Warm beverages are often recommended for promoting relaxation and reducing pain. The warmth of clove tea can have soothing effects, potentially easing tension and discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. Number 9. Immunity booster. The combination of antioxidant, antimicrobial, antiviral, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory properties of clove tea makes it a miraculous medicine. The powerful antioxidants help combat oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals in the body. Antimicrobial and antiviral properties may help fight against harmful microorganisms, including bacteria and fungi, and a strengthened defense against pathogens can be a supportive factor for the immune system. Chronic inflammation can negatively impact the immune system, which is countered effectively by clove tea. Clove tea contains various nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, that play essential roles in immune function. Clove tea is also considered adaptogenic, which means it may help the body adapt to stress. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system. Clove tea, with its potential calming properties, may help reduce stress and promote relaxation. By mitigating stress, clove tea may indirectly contribute to maintaining a healthier and more effective immune response. Number 10. Bone health. Did you know that low bone mass is a condition that affects an estimated 43 million older adults every year in just the United States alone? It can lead to the development of osteoporosis, which may increase the risk of breaks and fractures. Well, that's a lot of damage. However, along with the dense deposits of manganese which promote bone growth and are important for bone health, clove tea contains a number of compounds which have been shown to help preserve bone mass, which in turn leads to increased bone density and strength. Number 11. Aid against cancer. While clove is not a complete cure, it has incredible compounds that have found to be effective to protect against cancer. A few studies have shown sensational results with clove extracts, helping to stop the growth of tumors and promoting the death of cancer cells to about 80%. Eugenol has proven to be a superhero, fighting a war against cancer, promoting cell death in multiple types of cancer. Laboratory studies have demonstrated that eugenol exhibits certain characteristics that may inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Apoptosis is a natural process of programmed cell death that is essential for maintaining cellular balance. Eugenol has been investigated for its ability to induce apoptosis in cancer cells, which is a mechanism that can help prevent the uncontrolled growth of cancerous cells. Eugenol has also shown anti-angiogenic effects in some studies. Angiogenesis is the process of forming new blood vessels, and inhibiting this process can be a strategy to limit the blood supply to tumors, potentially hindering their growth. Number 12. Liver support. The liver is the most essential organ in our body, responsible day and night for detoxifying the blood and metabolizing drugs in our system. It is one of the most vital organs that require all the protection it can get, and the seemingly limitless compounds in clove provide for just what it needs. With a high level of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, clove tea not only can protect the liver, but also promote its health while improving liver function. Eugenol helps to reverse the signs of liver cirrhosis or scarring of the liver. Think about it as a hardworking mason filling out the cracks in the wall that protects your house from the harsh weather. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.